Adi, 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 oh, Adi, woo, Adi. That's what I think, yes. This is so cool. Well, that's the thing. There you go. Paf! My brother being a target. No, it's because I have too many jokes of the things, so that's why I can't do it myself, because it would betray myself. But it's the honor to see my brother have it. If you play Call of Duty, dernier rempart. This is what you gotta kill. They give me a cake. Wow. They give me they crazy. And they look at me eat. That's crazy. Yo, this is so good. I'm scared. If anybody know what just happened, this is them. They give me the cake and I eat it. I have real good. I can't take it. Oh my God. And if I'm sick, you know exactly who did that. I will never come back here anymore. And all that. That's it. And, I mean, you can say that there's a poison in it. Look at the knife. Hearts. It means everything. Hearts. Thank you guys. Let's go. Let's go. Speaker. I got a speaker. That's what we do. We're gonna make a video in India. This is what I love. It's not like I'm calling a team that I know nobody over here, especially the guy. Well, this pic look amazing. Gosh, let me show you something. This is a movie. Ooh, this is stupid. Like, you can do a movie everywhere over here. Gosh. You got better plays than that? Sorry? You got better plays than that? Damn. Whoa. That's nuts. I look like a tourist. They're gonna kill me. Damn. Damn, he's like a gangster over here. Oh my God! They look like like, oh my God. I'm in love. I'm gonna die. Stop here. Let me tell you some truth. For everyone think they're not lucky to live over here. Well, when you start in a building like this, when you start in this area and you become those beautiful children, well, that means you made it. You made it. This is beautiful. I'm not even shocked why you're amazing, guys.